My name is Jimmi Sharma. So this is a 2012 Jeep Compass. We're supposed to do the inner tie rods of the power steering rack. So this is the power steering rack from this Jeep Compass 2012. We're supposed to change this inner tie rods. But when we took the boot out, we found the seal here was leaking. So we are going to replace the whole steering rack. And to do that, we had to remove the whole subframe. So here we got the brand new power steering rack. So you can see this is good, tight. The old one is loose. So all we do is this. We put it in place exactly where we removed. It's just held by 2 bolts, which are 17 mil. So now we put this mount. This is for the transmission. And now we put back this. This is a heat shield. This protects the lines from the exhaust. Put the bolts back here. Just don't tighten it yet. Just thread it in so it does not fall. This bolt is for the transmission mount that is bolted on the subframe. It goes from that side and thread into this nut here. It's better to have this screw foot when you're doing the power steering line. Okay, we snug them for now. We'll tighten it later. We'll put these ball joints back in the knuckle. This is the ball joint and this is the control arm. This rear bushing on the front control arms, they were cracked. That's the reason why we replaced it. Double check it, it's all good. So now we're gonna tighten our power steering line, both the return and the pressure, with the help of a 18 mil crowfoot ratchet and a swivel socket. We're gonna put this sway bar links back into the strut hole. Sometimes when we tighten the sway bar link, this hole, the ball inside is start turning. So what you can do is you can hold the back side of the sway bar link with the vice grip. So you will hold it, then you can tighten it with your ratchet or gun. Now the very important part, before you remove the outer tie rod from your old steering, you always measure the tread count. If you don't measure your outer tie rod before removing it, then you will not know till how far it goes in, because otherwise there will be a lot of issues with your alignment later. That's why you always measure every single thing. Same with this, when you tighten it, the ball here inside will start turning. But what you can do is you can take a long pry bar, you're going to put it underneath and tighten it so the inner ball will not turn when you tighten the bolt. Sorry, nut. So this is a certified Dodge power steering fluid. We'll add into the reservoir. So what you will do is you turn your wheels left and right all the way till the fluid gets into the system. So this was the installation of the power steering rack, which is quite easy on these models. Just a couple bolts and that's it.